This is a brand from Heat Controller, which is a part of Mars and is made in America. The units are only sold through factory authorized dealers in the USA and Canada. The guarantee on the units includes total unit replacement if the compressor fails within the first year, but the warranty on other parts is not very good when compared to other brands. The RSG14 series units are basic units with durable scroll compressors. They use microchannel coils for a smaller footprint in your landscaping and composite basepans for quieter operation. The units have a louvered metal jacket to protect the condenser coil fins from mechanical damage from lawnmowers and other things. The RSG17 models are basic units, but they have up to an 18 SEER efficiency. They feature MHT technology, which includes a specially designed fan shroud that pulls air evenly throughout the coil surface. The coil has rifled tubing to enhance refrigerant flow, and lanced coil fins increase surface contact between metal and air. The MHT technology ensures maximum heat transfer and efficiency while maintaining a compact unit footprint.